Why don't we ever see hippos hiding in trees? Because they're really good at it. Now that we've broken the ice, let's dive into the heart of the matter. Today we're decoding friendship cheat codes, hack your way to instant connections. In the next few minutes, we'll journey through a series of cheat codes designed to turn you into a social dynamo, all served up with a side of humor and a dash of energy. So buckle up and get ready to become a social hack enthusiast. Cheat code number 1, folks, be approachable. No, that doesn't mean wearing a sign that says, "Talk to me, I'm lonely." It's all about body language. You know, the way you hold yourself. Stand tall, but not like you're trying to intimidate a kangaroo. Keep your arms open, not crossed. That's like a do not disturb sign. Eye contact, important, but don't stare. You're making friends, not practicing your hypnotist routine. A smile, well, that's your secret weapon. It's like a welcome mat for your face. So remember, folks, your body speaks louder than your words. Unless you're shouting, then maybe not. Now, before we dive further, let's talk about The Woman Men Adore, a book that unlocks secrets to captivate any man's heart. A treasure trove of charm, allure, and irresistible magnetism. It's the key to love you've been searching for. Don't wait, discover it today. Click the link in the description below to get your copy of The Woman Men Adore today. Moving on to cheat code number 2, ask intriguing questions. And no, do you come here often? Doesn't count. See, in the game of social interaction, curiosity is your joystick. It's all about asking questions that are a little bit quirky, a little bit thought-provoking, and a whole lot of fun. Like, if you could have dinner with any historical figure, who would it be and why? Or what's the weirdest thing you've ever eaten? Just steer clear of, what's your social security number? That's a level too far, mate. So folks, if you ever run out of questions, just remember, everyone loves talking about their pet's weird habits. Now, cheat code number 3, find common ground. And no, that doesn't mean you both like breathing oxygen and eating food. Finding shared interests or experiences is a key component to forging strong connections. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest in a video game, but instead of gold and jewels, it's filled with shared love for cheesy 80s movies or bizarre food combinations. But here's the kicker. You've got to transition into cheat code number 4. Actively listen and show interest. Now, this isn't just about nodding your head like a bobblehead while the other person talks. It's about giving them the stage, the spotlight, and the microphone. It's about putting your detective hat on and really diving into their words, their emotions, their experiences. Think of it as a game of tennis, except instead of hitting a ball, you're bouncing back their thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Show genuine interest, ask follow-up questions, and be present in the conversation. And remember, it's not just about waiting for your turn to speak. It's about being genuinely interested in their story. And who knows, you might just find a new passion or interest in the process. So folks, remember the golden rule. Treat others as you would like to be listened to. And now, the moment you've all been waiting for, the bonus cheat code. If you're ever stuck in a conversation, just pull out a fun conversation starter from your arsenal. Ask them if they'd rather fight one horse-sized duck or 100 duck-sized horses. It's a guaranteed laugh and an instant connection. As we wrap up, let's do a quick recap. Be approachable, ask intriguing questions, find common ground, actively listen, and when all else fails, have a fun conversation starter ready. These cheat codes are your keys to unlocking meaningful connections and unforgettable conversations. So there you have it, folks, your cheat codes to becoming a social hack enthusiast. Remember to like and subscribe for more hilarious and helpful content. Stay sociable.